Why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this. Cause now I dream about you. I was probably too drunk, it's blurry, but I've got the image of you running circles in my mind right now. And it could fade away, but it probably won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll drown, but what can I do? And it would be alright to let me down. Rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why we try to fight it. Every time that we touch, the room caught on fire. We could blame it on the wine, but we know that we would both be lying. I wish I didn't want you. I was doing just fine, the way that it was. Then you hand me these emotions, didn't want them, but I guess that I'm stuck with them. They could go away, but I know they won't, and I should let it be.
I don't like all the things you do, mess with my head. Just pick me up, let me down like you don't care. This is all my time. Don't go wasting my time on what I didn't do. Don't go wasting my time on what I didn't do.
머리가 아니에요?
가보자. 그거
아유 신나라. 너무 기분 좋다. 너무 신났다. 우.
됐어? 통과? 왜 웃는데?
너무 웃기다 갑자기.
만져봐 빨리. 카카오 같지 않아 카카오?
구독과 좋아요, 알림 설정까지 좀 부탁 좀 드립니다.